halasot kini yelo class
MOU chitok det penke Karbi Anglong District Council pu adim Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pu si pulo lapen Department Hongkep ta longponlo tangka mahata nang bat pomlo labangso kachitok abang phuatum lahenlo Dharam Singh Teron Chairman ASDC Robindra Rongpi President KSA Prakanto Warisa President NCHF Joython Longmailai President DSU Holiram Terang, Spokesman ASDC, Dr. Jayanta Rongpi, Spokesman ASDC, Hiteswar Saikia, Chief Minister of Assam, in presence of Sri S.B. Chavan, Honorable Union Home Minister. Department Thongkep ke lahai-hai henlo Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Forest, Agriculture, PWD, Sericulture, Education, Primary Education up to Higher Secondary Education, Lapen Adult Education, Cultural Affairs, Soil Conservation, Cooperation, Fisheries, Panchayat and Rural Development including DRDA, Handloom and Textile, Health and Family Welfare, Public Health Engineering, Irrigation, Social Welfare, Flood Control Department, Sport and Youth Welfare, Weights and Measurement, Food and Civil Supplies, Town and Country Planning, College Education including Library Services District Museum and Archaeology, Land Reform, Publicity, Public Relation, Printing and Stationery, Tourism, Transport, Excise, Finance including Sale Tax on purchase of goods other than newspapers, exercises professional tax.
My joining in the council was that I wanted to serve the people of Karbi Anglong.
UPDF